Mosquito companies, mosquito companies, mosquito companies. This is a term that I've been hearing so much from everywhere, all right, in the industry of network marketing. If you look behind me, that's a mosquito, all right? A mosquito is an insect that focuses on finding an animal or human to land on and suck the blood and leave. So they are parasites. They do not self-sustain themselves. They rely on a host. They suck blood from you and they leave and they survive and they procreate and I think there are billions of mosquitoes around the planet. Now in network marketing, when we say mosquito company, the meaning is different. Now the industry of network marketing is huge. $200 billion. And there are good companies and bad companies. You know that. All right? And I think there are a lot of good companies around the world. And QNet is one of them. How do you know what is a good company in network marketing? Number one, how long they've been around. All right? Now we've been around for 18 years. Okay? How big is the organization? We have crossed over 12 million people, making us one of the biggest network marketing companies in the world. All right? How global are they? We are the most global company on the planet. We are in almost every country in the world, including Iceland, all the way to Republic of Niger, all the way to India, all the way to Papua New Guinea, or all the way to Brazil, Colombia, everywhere. Okay? And most important, do they have an e-commerce platform? Because that's the future. Now, we are one of the only network marketing companies in the world, good company, that operates 100% on an e-commerce platform. All right? Next, is our compensation plan attractive enough? Now, this is a big problem. Most mosquito companies will come and present their compensation plan as far more attractive than ours. All right? That's their way of luring the victims to suck the blood. However, if you calculate their business model, they cannot last for 18 years. They will collapse in 2 years because it doesn't make sense financially. All right? That means the company pays out too much to make it attractive and they cannot sustain their business model. And what happens? They go bankrupt, they die, the owners run away very rich and leave behind thousands of innocent victims who can no longer make money and operate their organization. Now, QNet has the most attractive, solid, stable compensation plan that will last forever. Our business model is mathematically sound and perfect. We have experts from the US, from all over the world, who has endorsed our compensation plan, including the World Direct Selling Association, including the top lawyers from the United States of America and Germany, all right, and Singapore, and Malaysia, and Dubai, and India, all right. Our compensation model works. It's a beautiful compensation model, all right. Now, it may not look as attractive as the mosquito companies, but it lasts forever, all right. That means even after we are all gone up to heaven or wherever, all right, you still get paid. Your kids still get paid. Your grandchildren still get paid. And that's what you want. You want continuity. You want long-term business. Now, mosquito companies represent get rich quick. So they attract the morons, you know. Because morons who don't think long-term. Sad to say, most of society today don't think long-term. They make themselves look beautiful from an image point of view. They do nice events, all that stuff. But they don't last. Now, you have to protect your organization from the mosquito companies. That's it. You can't destroy them all. Like mosquitoes will exist for another 1 million years. Right? With all the advancement on technology, pharmaceutical and everything else, we haven't destroyed mosquitoes. They will survive and they will keep sucking blood from us forever. You understand? In the same way, mosquito companies will never stop appearing everywhere. Alright? And for some reason, we attract a lot of mosquito companies. Why? Because we are freaking successful. Alright? So do mosquito companies want to suck on a skinny, useless, non-successful company, or a well-built, sexy, unbelievable company? Sexy, well-built company with a lot of blood. So we attract mosquito companies, and they always will attack the most successful company. So when a mosquito company tries to poach and take your downlines and leaders, I know you get frustrated, I know you get upset, but I take it as a compliment. Alright? Because they always go after the most successful companies and the markets where these successful companies are big. Now, how can you protect your network from mosquito companies? Now, however you try to protect yourself from mosquitoes, by rubbing this anti-mosquito repellent on your hand, putting nets all over your house, wearing a hat with a net, mosquitoes will always find their way somewhere. You understand? So you can never completely protect your network from mosquito companies. Some people will leave. They will go there, they will lose money, and they'll try to come back. Trust me, I've seen this for 18 years. The best you can do is strengthen your organization, increase your events, give proper information to your organization, build stronger relationship with your downlines. Make sure you focus on their checks to help them make money. Alright? Because when you're making money, you won't go and jump. Most people who jump are morons who never made money with us. Because they switch off, never follow system, not consistent, and doesn't listen to chief. You understand? And they will obviously go. But it's not a loss to you because they're idiots. The big leaders who have gone to network marketing companies, everyone, guys, and I'm telling you this, every one of our big leaders who are driven by their ego and greed, who jumped to a mosquito company, today are broke, bankrupt, or in jail. I have proof. Come and see me, I'll tell you all the stories. I've seen this enough. That's why I don't overreact and panic when I see a mosquito company. They will come, they will go. They'll take a little bit of blood, and somewhere else somebody will do this. Do you understand? So don't panic, don't react, and don't talk about the mosquito company every single day with your network, because you're actually promoting the mosquito company and getting your network to focus on the mosquito company instead of focusing on their checks and presentation. Alright? Now we are 18 years old. Hong Kong, QI Tower Malaysia, DSA membership all over the world. Alright? Official sponsors of Manchester City. Martina Hingis is our brand ambassador. We have proven ourselves over and over and over again. You do your best. And if you still lose people to the mosquito company, don't get frustrated, don't get depressed. Alright? It is meant to be. So what? Alright? Someone else is waiting to be built. Your downlines who are loyal need to be supported. So you as an upline, as a leader, cannot be distracted by mosquitoes. Alright? Dato Sri told me this story once. Alright? Dato Sri Vijay has these amazing stories. Okay, I told him he has to write a book of all his stories. Alright? When you are sitting on the beach, alright, and sun is about to rise, the beauty of the Lord himself, rising sun on a beach, and there's 2 mosquitoes flying around your head. Alright? Now if you are not a solid networker, if you are not a dreamer, if you are not a warrior, you're going to spend half an hour doing this. And you're going to miss the sunset or sunrise. Do you understand? But if you ignore the mosquitoes, the most they're going to do is bite you, take a bit of blood and leave. But you stay focused on the sunrise. You stay focused on the sunset. You stay focused on your dreams and the dreams of your people. Mosquito companies will leave. I guarantee you that. So don't be distracted by mosquito companies. Stay focused on what we have taught you. Build your organization and you will be okay. So guys, the next time you see a mosquito company, just do this and keep building your organization with QNet and you'll be okay.